Hello everyone, welcome back. We are again back with a video of how to draw a parrot. So let's begin with parrot is a bird and especially found in every country I've been known for. So let's begin drawing it. I'm going to draw from the head. Parrot has a beautiful beak. I'm going to fill this. So let's make the body the parrot. So let's make the legs. Let's fill these nails with. So that's how my parrot looks like. If you want to fill this a beak with red in color, you can. And that is how. And if you want to fill this with green in color, definitely you can again. So let me bring darker and green, and then we can fill this green, green, green. No. Let me take a brush and complete this part. Now we can fill this with green. And what I can do is I can use a brush and I can complete this. And then I can use the darker greener shade and light green shade here. So let's fill this. No, no, let's open. Let's fill this green, green, and back, back, back. Let me take a brush and complete this. The black in color, and then this part of the section. And then what I can do is I can take a lighter green shade and then fill this color, this, and then take a yellow, fill colors, and then you can also take a darker green and then you can use a brush, a thicker one, and then you can shade some at here also. So this is my parrot. So I hope you liked it. Please do comment and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.